2016 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. The SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, cruise control, compass, clock, MP3 player, trip computer, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, front license plate bracket, tinted glass, body color door handles, engine immobilizer, roof rack, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.